Big news coming in with regards to Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea. He has filed 20-page reply before the Delhi High Court. Kejriwal has called ED's contentions regarding not ample opportunity quote-unquote absurd, most uncalled and unjustified as well. Arvind Kejriwal has said that false case is being cooked up against him, denying him the due process of law. So we'll bring you more details about the 20 pages that has been filed from Arvind Kejriwal's side towards the Delhi High Court about why his bail plea has been kept on hold at this point of time. But the word of criticism coming in from Aam Aadmi Party's convener as well as Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is that he has called ED's contentions regarding not ample of opportunity being provided to him quote-unquote absurd, most uncalled and unjustified. He in fact went on to say that there is a false case that is being cooked up against him, denying him the due process of law. We have our legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar joining us on the broadcast. Ananya, very good morning to you. A very critical news piece now coming in. What do these 20 pages entail? More details on that, please.
Pages of affidavit filed, in fact, by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal before the Delhi High Court. He clearly goes on to say that, there is a political conspiracy that is going on against him. The due process of law is denied to him because he is opposing, in fact, the government at the center. Not only this, he also goes on to say that, there is, in fact, a role of conspiracy that is going on, and there is no iota of evidence available against the Delhi Chief Minister, is what he goes on to say. In fact, he also goes on to say that, the bail that has been denied to him is with regards to only and only, tantamounting to justice, because it's a well-reasoned bail order that has been challenged, in fact, before, the Delhi High Court by the ED in a wrong fashion. And all of the Enforcement Directorate is arrogant in its submission when it says that the court has not dealt with certain material in this particular case. These are the lines coming in from, in fact, the 20-page written submission filed by the Delhi Chief Minister's legal team before the Delhi High Court. We'll have to wait and watch as to what is the outcome of the High Court order today at around 2:30, when the High Court will be ruling on the Enforcement Directorate stay application, seeking, in fact, a stay on that particular bail order that was passed, the furnishing of a 1 lakh bail bond and releasing Arvind Kejriwal on bail. That the order was actually stayed by the Delhi High Court. The Enforcement Directorate had said that ample amount of opportunity was not given to him, which is a clear violation of 45(1) of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, and that's exactly why, this bail should be cancelled. But at this particular point of time, only a stay would be, in fact, the focus of the Delhi High Court that would be ruling on. So at 2:30 today, a single judge bench of Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain will be pronouncing its verdict. But this 20-page of written submission clearly points out that Arvind Kejriwal is nothing but, in fact, because of a political conspiracy, he is languishing inside the jail even after securing a bail.
Right, Ananya. Thank you so much for putting all that out for our viewers and giving us a better perspective on that. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story. Right now,